Hey guys, welcome to the channel Taking a Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. Happy Thanksgiving to everyone, guys. If you're like me, I know that you're full of all of that turkey. Got family up in there, they're making noise up in there, watching the game. By the way, they're watching the game on the #1 IPTV service. Our sponsor for the month, Gearbest TV, guys. You get 3 lines for $20. I'm going to go ahead and leave their website in the description below. Try it out for 24 hours, guys. We've been watching the games all day on this service. No buffering, no hiccup. You can watch it on many platforms, iPhones, guys, iPads, Android phones, Android devices, no problem. But after you finish eating, I know a lot of you guys are going to try to run out there to the stores and shove those elbows. Some of you guys probably going to catch a charge. Don't get a summons and have to go to court. You can shop for the comfort of your own home with Gearbest, guys. And guess what? I have a special secret for you guys. I'm going to leave a cheat code in the description of this video. Yes, click on that link and it's going to give you some codes, some coupons that you can use tonight, guys, when you're doing your shopping. Don't forget, 12 o'clock is Black Friday, so take advantage of this opportunity. A happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy the rest of your day with family and friends. I got to get back to these guys, but don't forget to check out those special codes for Gearbest. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to link everything below. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.